hello, I'm here in Blackpool. It was raining, it's not anymore. But the big one is just above me. We're here for my brother's birthday, and we're doing like, I don't know, Tussauds, Sealife and all that. But I was driving past the big one, and the track is being removed. So I will show you. Cool. Okay, so crossing the road, there's the coaster. Yeah, you can see the track missing over there. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. There we go. That's where the track is, but it's not there. I didn't mean it is. It's gone. Yeah, so there's a bit of a different angle. I don't know if you can hear me. The wind is very windy. But yeah, there's a different angle of the track that's missing. Oh, I've moved my gimbal. What have I done? I've messed it up. There we go. Yeah, I've also noticed, if you look over there, there's some scaffolding. Oh yeah. There's some scaffolding just after the turn. This is very difficult to do with one hand. I've got a camera in either hand. But yeah, there's a lot of work going on. Obviously, Nemesis is being retracked. Well, the track is gone. I'm gonna guess they took a break for Christmas or something for this. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see the track arrive. I won't be here. I live miles away. So that will do it. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.